Hi guys, so today I will show you how you can automate your coding workflow without using any kind of tools like Lovable, but it is 100% automated. Now I'll show you how. So we will use something called Playwright MCP. So this is something which I was working with earlier, like I was testing it before this video, and it was working pretty well for me. I did not write even a single line of code. You can see I have still left to accept the code, and it has written me all of it, whatever number the files may be. And I will just ask it, sure, please test it now. So now it will go ahead and test it. It will test it using the Playwright MCP. And by the time I will show you how you can integrate that. You can see it's calling browser.navigate, and here the browser opens up. It made this table. So I think I would show you this, and then you can see it selected a table. It made sure that the details are coming properly. Then it selected accounts table. Sure, and I think it has. Okay, so refresh functionality also works. Responsive design. Now it will check whether this is responsive or not. Now you can see it is checking for different screen sizes. Cool, really cool. By the time it does it, I will just show you what we can do. How you can integrate that. You can go to chat settings, MCP, and then you can have a new MCP server, and then there you need to add this command, and then you will be able to integrate it. I will give this in the description. Now you can see what we have here. Now let me just ask it, okay, fine. Now I want a feature to add a column. So add a feature to add a column to the table. Now it will add it. Now we can also make a cursor.empty file to make sure that it always goes ahead and test it with playwright MCP to make sure everything is working fine. So you don't need to do anything. You don't need to use Lovable to have a custom solution. It just works for you. Let's just see what it does. Sure. So first let me add the backend API endpoint to handle adding columns. I will fast forward this step, I think, in the final video. 933 lines. Now you can see that, okay, now it will kill the old server. I think the old server got abandoned, and now it will start it again. Great, and now the main process will start. You can see now it is going to test it. Add new column. Phone number. Let's see what data type does it select. Varchar, okay. 20. And this you can, keep on doing. You can send it to background from here. Send this one to background. Work on this one. Multiple features can be built at once. See, now it is adding another, which is status, and data type is text. I will not mess. And default is active. Cool, fantastic. So you can see the second column was added successfully with advanced features. So it's updating the readme, which is kind of pointless right now. So you can see what I meant. Now I can also ask it, okay, now make sure whether this is responsive or not, how it did it in the first part. So I think this is the most powerful tool which you can use right now, even more powerful than Lovable. You don't need to stuck to React or anything. You can choose your tech stack and whatever technologies you like in your way, and it will do it for you.